All right, let's learn these 5 licks. Are you ready? All right, let's take a look at these 5 licks that are going to get us through the first 8 measures of a 12-bar blues. The first 4 measures of A, 2 measures of D7, and then 2 measures of A7. So this first lick sounds like this. It's got a little Grady Martin vibe, rockabilly vibe going on. Still quite jazzy. We're going to start on the 5th fret of the 3rd string with our 2nd finger and slide it up to the 6th fret, like that. 5th fret, 2nd string, 7th fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 1st string. Right, and this is kind of the pickup to the first measure. 1, 2, 3, ba-da-ba-da-dum, right? And then you're going to go these 2 fingers. You could also use your pinky and 3rd finger. I like to use my 3rd and my 2nd finger. And you're grabbing the 8th fret on the 1st string and the 7th fret on the 2nd string. This is a very Grady Martin kind of lick. And then you're just bending it just a little bit. And then 5-5 to finish that lick. This second lick is still over the A7 chord. We're going to start right on the 8th fret of the 2nd string, and we're going down the swing scale. 8, 7, 5, and then 5th fret of the 3rd string, and we're going to hammer onto the 6th fret. And then ending on the A on the 7th fret. So it goes like this. So you have this so far. All right, let's move on to lick number 3. This one's going down the swing scale again, but this time starting on the 1st string, 8th fret, and we're going 8, 7, 5 on the 1st string, then 8, 7, 5 on the 2nd string, 7th fret on the 3rd string, that's got our D. We're still over the A7 chord here, right? So we have A7, right? We're going to hammer on again, 5, 6, just like we did here, 5, 6, but instead of going down to 7 to the A right away, we're going to go 5th fret, 2nd string, 6th fret, 3rd string, and then 7th fret, 4th string. That is our A triad, right? So we're going to go, when we hammer on here, ba-da-da-da-da. So that whole lick, number 3, now, let's go to the measure 5 on the D7 chord. We're going to outline the D7 arpeggio here. So we're going to stick with the swing scale, but we're going to slide into the 3rd of the D7, which is an F sharp. So we're going to go 6th fret to 7th fret, 5, 5th fret of the 1st string, right? That B note on the 7th fret is the only non-chord tone. The rest of these are all chord tones besides the slide, right? There's the 3rd of D7, the 5th of D7, and then this 8th fret is the 7th of D7. Ba-da-da-da-da. Same lick as as this one. This is the A chord. This is the D arpeggio, a D triad arpeggio. A, D. All right? So this whole lick number 4 is, and I'm fingering that, sliding in. You do it different ways, right? All right, so the last lick is one of my favorite little jazz licks. We're going back to the A7 chord. This lick sounds like this. All right, now let me show you that real quick. All right, so we're starting on the 10th fret of the 2nd string. That's our A note. Going to the 9th fret, which is our 3rd, C sharp. 9th fret of the 1st string. We're walking up chromatically. 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? And that 12th fret is our 5th of the triad. Then we're going 8, sliding up to 9. Ma-da. 10 on the 2nd string, 11 on the 3rd string, 10, 9, and then ending back on the A. So we've got a little bit of chromatic stuff happening here. So this isn't totally the swing scale. So we've got all right, let me play that for you a few times. Right, I like that, you know. Right, sometimes I like to end that. And I slide up in 6, you know, that's a cool ending. All right, so I want to play this up close so you can see my fingers. Here we go. I'm going to do it kind of slow. Now we go to the D chord. Back to the A. All right. Now we'd have 4 more measures of the 12-bar blues. It would go to the E chord and then back to the A chord, or it could go E, D, A. Figure out a way to end this. You know, what would you do? You could probably repeat one of these licks again to get you out of the rest of the 4 measures. All right. Have fun chewing on this week. I will see you next week. Bye.